Okay, hi guys. So today I'm going to be showing you how to boot your PS3 system up into the safe mode and then explain the different options of the safe mode and what you can use these for. So as you can see here, I have my PlayStation 3 Slim model, so it's on at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn off the system. Just wait for it to turn off. So the light should go red here. So once it goes red, then what we're going to do is we're going to just hold down the power button until we hear 3 beeps. So we get the first one turning on, the second one, and then the third one, and it's turned back off again. So now when we hold it, we're looking for 2 quick beeps in succession, and that'll boot the PS3 up into the safe mode. There's another beep, and then 2 quick beeps. So now the PlayStation will boot up in the safe mode. So as you can see on the screen here now. So we need to connect the controller with the USB, and then we're brought to this menu here that you can see. So the first thing is option 1 is just to restart your system. So that's just if you boot into safe mode by accident, there's nothing wrong with your computer, you just want to restart it, you just go back to restart and it just restarts your PlayStation. You go down to restore default settings. So this just restores the system to the defaults, all your different settings, and removes your login details. It won't delete any game saves or any other save content, and you can also do this just from your main menu in your PS3. When you go to the settings and system settings, you can restore from there also. Then we have our restore file system. So this is if this will rewrite the files the PS3 is used to boot, so it tries to repair the drive. Any corrupted data that may be on the drive, it could delete that, and otherwise it shouldn't delete any of your saved files or your settings. And then we have the rebuild database. So this is, you use this in case if something on your PlayStation suddenly is lost, if you had files that your PlayStation can't find. Could be something to do with your hard drive, that some of the files may be corrupted or that if you rebuild the database, it might be able to restore these files for you, or to rewrite the corrupted files, so it can eliminate some of these issues. So this, it won't delete any of your saved data or settings. It can take a long time to rebuild the database depending on how big your hard drive is and how much data is on the hard drive. Then you have our restore our PS3 system. So this is a complete restoration of your system back to the default state when you bought it. So this is for if you wanted to sell your console or to give it to someone else and you didn't want any of your data left on it. If you went into this and restored the PS3 system, the next time you turn it on, it'll be like brand new, that no one has ever used it. So this will delete, you will lose all your data. So if your console, if there's a problem and you've tried all the other options, this might be your last option maybe to try and fix your console, but it will delete everything. And then we have our system update. So this is if you want to update your PS3 system software. So to do this, you need to have a USB file plugged into one of the USB spots on your PlayStation, and you need to have the correct firmware that your PlayStation already is in, and the USB drive has to be in. You need to have a certain folder structure, and the USB needs to be formatted in a certain format, like FAT32. So it does not, from this option, you can't do it through an internet connection. It needs, if you pick this option, it has to be from a USB. So that's all the settings here for you today. So we'll just go back into our restart system, our first option. So then this will just show our system restarting. And then once it restarts, I'll just show you. When I was talking about option 2 to restore default settings, I can just show it from the home PS3 menu of how we do that. So now we're back into our home screen here. So if we go across to our settings, we go to our system settings, all the way down, I'm going to restore default settings. So here this shows all the settings, so game, video, music, chat, system, team, date and time, all these different, and your sign in settings. So if you want to restore them from here, you can do it from here also. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.